Live Your Style. I'm Sharrah.
And I'm Tyler.
We're not necessarily doing anything Christmassy today.
What are we doing?
But Tyler is going to have to master this thing and a whole bunch of other stuff. He's going to do my makeup, my hair, and pick out my outfit. Because today is our 2-year anniversary and we're going out. And to be honest with you, if it does not turn out well, I probably will not go out that way, but...
I don't think that's in the rules. I think you have to go as I dress you.
Are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous. I mean, I guess I got a good start because you already got something in your teeth I got to get out of there, so that was easy. But no, I'm excited. But first, before I get into this, you guys need to subscribe, hit that like button, comment below.
What's the question?
My question of the video is, which one of these 12 Days of Christmas has been your favorite so far? We've been having a lot of fun with it, and I want to know what you guys think.
That's a good question. Leave us your comment below. And if you want to see the rest of them, I will link them in the description box so you can catch up if you missed any.
Oh.
All right. Pray for me. I'm hoping this is going to go well.
Let's get started.
Just popping in to remind everyone about the amazing giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you watch it all the way through. You know what to do. So this is what my hair and makeup look now. I did it this morning, so take a good look. Here's the before, and let's see if Tyler can actually get me anywhere close to how I usually do my makeup. He never really watches me do my makeup, so this is going to be interesting and hopefully not painful. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be back. So I'm not gonna give you any tips or any hints, but I will put my hair back for you because, for my own sake.
Okay. Well, I think foundation is what I need first. I think you use this little jibber to do it. Okay. Double wear stay in place makeup. Okay, so you have 2 bottles of this. This probably means it's something you use often, which probably means this is what I need to use first. I'm gonna see if there's anything on here that says foundation, because that's what I'm looking for. I think this is it, but I don't know. I think we're gonna start with this. Do you squirt it on this thing and then go?
I'm not gonna tell you.
And paint it on. You're gonna waste some good makeup if you don't have any. Okay,
well, first of all, how about you look at where there's makeup on the brush already?
Right there? Is that not right? You're making faces and I'm second guessing. Why are you letting me do this? This is crazy.
I think you're probably good on the foundation. I mean, I don't know what it looks like, but I'm gonna guess. Okay. We've used about 7 pumps.
I think we're foundationed.
Okay.
Finishing powder, that probably goes last. Color Stay Brow Kit. Alright, so we're gonna paint these eyebrows.
Put things back where you find them, or else you're gonna have a hodgepodge mess.
I don't remember where it was.
I know, pay attention. Ah! Did you actually get it?
A little drunk, but that's not my fault. You walk in with this look going on, he won't know what hit him.
That's probably true.
You're looking good, baby.
You drawing a skeleton on my face?
I don't know, I'm just going with the flow.
You just put a dot in my forehead. What?
What? Okay. Okay.
How do I look?
I'm done with her makeup. We're gonna move on to hair.
And then you gotta pick out an outfit. Okay, so now you're gonna do my hair. I still have not seen what I look like.
Well, thankfully you gave me a little bit of a head start. It's already dry. I don't have to blow dry it.
I think you should try to challenge yourself and either do an updo or a half updo.
Well, I think the most challenging thing is going to be getting these guys into your hair.
Yeah.
Not really sure how that's done. That's one. What?
And you have to hold it.
Please don't punish me.
Please don't punish me. I'm the innocent victim here. All right, so you're gonna do half up?
Yeah, half up. I think you're kind of, yeah.
Am I very Drew Barrymore right now?
I love it, actually. I think I didn't know what I was gonna do here with the hair, but I'm digging what I did with your hair. It kind of hides some of your face where I did the makeup wrong, so I think it's in my benefit. Gotta go choose your outfit, huh? So the next step?
Yeah, you better go get to it.
I'm gonna go choose the outfit.
Wish me luck.
Ready to see yourself?
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Not bad, right?
Look at my eyelash. It is teetering. What did you do?
I did great.
Look at my eyelash.
Okay, look. Considering I've never done this before, come on, I didn't do that bad.
Honey, I look like I made out with a walrus.
Okay, you might have made out with a walrus, but at least you look like you have makeup on.
I definitely look like I've got some makeup on. My outfit isn't bad. Like, I would wear this tonight. My hair, I feel like you put extensions in and then you took my hair up.
Yeah, it's more about, you having the confidence of knowing you have longer hair, but then not needing it.
Okay, well, what do you guys think, huh? I've got some eyebrows kind of all over my face. I mean, look at that eyelash. It is literally not even on. I thought that my actual foundation would be much worse than it is. It definitely looks not so bad. It felt a lot worse than it is. And the fact that you got the eyelashes on at all is pretty miraculous. So good job.
Thanks.
And my lips aren't that bad. I mean, they're just a little crazy over here, but Okay, you guys, on Christmas Eve, on the 12th day of Christmas, before Christmas is happening, and on the day that my husband tries to do my makeup, I thought it would be super fitting to have Laser Away. You guys know I've been going to Laser Away for my facial treatments this year and to kind of remove some of the dark spots. They are going to be gifting a skincare package. It's their Luxe box. It has a variety of different skincare products, from moisturizers to serums to eye creams. It's like the ultimate skincare box. So if you like skincare stuff, you're going to want to enter for this week's giveaway. You know what I mean. Go click the link below, check out how to enter, and good luck. I hope you guys have enjoyed the 12 giveaways that we've done every single day the last 2 weeks. This has been super fun for Tyler and I and Elena and all of you and Scout and everyone, and I'm just so happy and ready for Christmas to be here. I've really been preparing for it for the last 3 months, and it's finally gonna be here tomorrow. Merry Christmas to you all, God bless, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas and an amazing New Year, and I'll see you guys probably in a week or two. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, but I'll be back, don't you worry. Go enter. Well, babe, I do have to say, from afar, it's not so bad. Up close, it's a disaster, but that's better than I thought you could do.
Hey, better than I thought I could do either. I was pretty nervous about it. I feel bad that I might have wasted some of your makeup, but...
And almost blinded my right eye.
I don't feel so bad about that. More about the makeup waste.
Good thing I had a contact in. I think it really did save my life.
Okay, so you ready to go out? Do I get to take you out like this?
I might do a little touch up on the details, but for the most part, I think I'll go in this outfit. Okay, what do you guys think? Do you think that Tyler did a good job?
Yes.
Leave us your answer in the comments below. We're gonna go celebrate our 2-year anniversary, so we are gonna go. But thank you for watching. Leave this video a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye. Wham!